The way to do that is you pull this pulley out and then just take the belt out of it and let it go. There you go. Now we can lift that thing out. There, that's our heater. That's the motor. And that's our pulley. These are the wheels. And that's the control board. So I put my meter on on continuity, and then I check the continuity here. I could have checked it from without taking the drum out, but I just did that so we can see the process here. Our heater is bad, no continuity. Let's check the ohm. Ohm is that magnetic sign. That's the open lane. Oh well, nothing. I know I didn't have to open this, but I'm just opening it for fun and also to show you guys. Look. There. This is the broken part. That's why it was not heating. And you just reverse the thing and it'll be all good. There's the water valve.